Hey guys, so I was facing this issue where I was applying my textures from Asset Browser, but I was not able to edit them. Let me show you. Let's go to Asset Browser. Let me open my materials. Now let's apply this material. Now let's go to Shader Editor. As you can see, everything is grayed out. I am not able to edit any values. It also says disabled in red. Now let me show you the solution for this. Go to your Asset Browser. Click on Import Settings dropdown, and change Import Method to Append. And now if you apply the material, and go to Shader Editor, you can see now I am able to edit the values. But the import settings will go back to default for every new project, so to avoid that, go to Preferences, go to File Path, and change Import Method to Append. Then save your preferences. Thanks for watching the video.